Hello lovely friends, here's a sneak peek of today's spray painted gecko. Thank you so much to my wonderful subscribers and members. I really appreciate you. So today Aishu from Aishu's Crafty Kids Club has organised a fantastic birthday celebration for Kim from Kim's Art Alchemy. Happy birthday my beautiful friend. All these beautiful artists that you saw named just then are in the collab, so I'll put the playlist to the end of this video in the description and in the comments below. So what do we choose today? We've got a naughty little gecko here. So this gecko I decided to spray paint, and it's a garden ornament, and I was actually thinking about how I could renew my little gecko because he'd been in the garden for many years and he started to rust. I don't like throwing things away, I like to reuse them. And I was thinking how fitting it would be for a birthday collab, a sense of renewal and new beginnings, giving this little gecko a brand new life, and knowing that Kim has geckos around in her house quite a lot, and they visit her and her little dog Acorn very often. And Kim has a little soft spot for geckos. So I'm using spray paint today to give this gecko a new lease of life, and I'm starting on his tail and I'm giving it a bit of a base to build up colour, and I'm not sure how he's going to be at this stage. You have to wait and see just what the colours are going to come up and how they're going to come up. You got a bit of a sneak peek in the beginning, so you've got some idea. Okay, so I'm spray painting his feet gold and yellow because I want him to have that sense of wherever he puts his paws, wherever he treads around the home or the garden, he's spreading a bit of gecko fairy dust around to protect. And that idea came from the fact in many cultures geckos are seen as guardians of the home, and they're also symbolic of being good luck symbols. So when they're seen in around your home, it's a feeling of good luck and renewal. And so that was another reason why I just thought, why not give it a bit of a spray paint, have a bit of fun, and do this for Kim's birthday today. So I want to say at this point, thank you so much to Aishu for putting this together for Kim. She's such an amazing person, Aishu. She's always there for people, supporting us in our community, and Kim's such a lovely friend of hers, and of us all, and she wanted to put something together, so thank you so much. Please check out her channel and all the love that she's given to everybody in our arts community, and all the lovely creatives that are in here today. They're just beautiful friends, and please check out their channels. I can't wait to see what everyone's created for Kim today. As I was going along, I didn't know what colours I was going to do, as I said earlier, so I was sort of building it up, and I was thinking, you know what, I feel like I want to do almost a rainbow of colours because they're so joyful and because they're such good luck. And I couldn't think of one particular colour, although I wanted to make sure that the main colour here were blue, so a tiny bit of pink and a bit of purple, which are Kim's favourite colours. So I'm doing it almost like a chakra. Have you ever heard of the chakras, where the energy centres are? At the top of the head there's gold, and it goes into indigo, violet, and then down to the heart, which is green, and then it goes down into the body, and the base chakra, yellow, orange and red is the base chakra. And that was what sent me on my way. So I'm using the red to give it a real sort of strong feel, and I'm using copper as well to blend the orange and the red together, and a little bit of yellow, and I'm just going over it until it feels right. And as I'm spray painting, I'm wanting to use some of the darker blue and purple to shade the front leg, and then the back leg becomes another different colour in itself, but somehow it all seems to come together. And if you think about lizards and their whole makeup, they're so full of surprises. I mean, for example, they don't have movable eyelids, so they have one transparent eyelid, and to keep it clean they lick it with their tongues. That's a mad fact. And also when they're chased or grabbed by predators, they shed their tails. So if you ever see a tail bouncing around anywhere and you've seen a gecko that's been grabbed by a predator, you know that's what's happened and the gecko's okay. How adaptable is that? And they also on every continent in the world, apart from Antarctica. Isn't that crazy? So they've become so adaptive over the years that they can survive and thrive in our current world. They tend to like warmer climates, and I've seen them in Thailand when they've been there, and I love geckos. The sounds that they make almost like a chirping, barking sound. So it's like having a pet when you hear them about. It's quite a familiar, friendly sound, don't you think? So as I'm pondering on geckos and where they're from and how they connect, I was just thinking how Kim from Kim's Art Alchemy, such a dear friend and wonderful person, she is an alchemist and she transforms things. She takes things as they are and she transforms them into something new, and she's always so full of surprises and she's such an inspiration to me. I was thinking I wanted to transform something for her today and make it special for her birthday collab with Aishu. So I'm just going to finish off now my gecko, and I'm just going to add some finishing touches, wanting blue, Kim's favourite colours, to really reign here. I'll come back shortly to show you how this little chap ended up, and enjoy the music.
The sun is coming up. So it begins. Feel the heat on your skin. A new fire is stirring up. I know it's gonna happen. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. So come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer.
Thank you so much, beautiful Aishu, for putting this really thoughtful, beautiful collab together. Just finishing this little one off now. I hope you've enjoyed this little spray painting delight today. It's spray paint all from Montana, and I love the way they layer. It's a fantastic paint. So here he is. Happy birthday, dear Kim. I hope you like this little surprise today. Thank you so much to Aishu from Aishu's Crafty Kids Club for putting this together, and thank you to all the other artists and friends on this collab today. And again, I'll put the playlist for all these wonderful artists and friends in the description below and also in the comments, so please let me know what you think of this. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments. There he is, back on our garden wall. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget that art is a piece of you, and I hope to see you again soon. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Kim, happy birthday to you. Have a wonderful day, Kim. Happy birthday, my beautiful friend. And thank you to all my subscribers and members. I hope to see you again soon. Let me know what you're creating. Lots of love. Bye.